Hello everyone. In the previous lecture we have studied how to create a function module. Now we will reuse that function module in the report. Now SE38 is the transaction code for the ABAP editor or for the report. Now we will create a report, and in that report we will use that reusable component, or we will reuse that function module. As I am creating a customer specific object, so its first name always starts with Z or Y. Suppose my name of the report is ZDoc_display. ZDoc_display suppose 2. I have to give the title of the report to display the document details. I have to give the type of the program, that is executable program. Now I am saving the program. I am saving the program as a local object. Now in this report, what is the first step? First step is to create the selection screen. Now firstly we will create the selection screen. For creating the selection screen is the keyword. Then we have begin of block. In selection screen, firstly we have to create the block. Suppose my name of the block is B1. Then we have to end the selection screen. End of block B1. Now in this selection screen we will declare 3 parameters. We will declare 3 parameters, one for company code, one for fiscal year, and one for document number. So for declaring the parameter is the keyword. So for our first parameter is for company code, P_BUKRS, type BUKRS. Here BUKRS is the data element. Parameters P_Belnar, type Belnar_D. Belnar_D is the data element for document number. Then we have P_GJAHR, type GJAHR. GJAHR is the data element for the fiscal year. Now I will check for the syntax. Now I am activating the report. Now I will give the titles to this selection text to these parameters. P_Belnar is document number, P_BUKRS is company code, P_GJHR is fiscal year. Saving this, activating this. Now this is activated. Back it. Now in the previous examples of reports, what we have done, we always write the logic in the report. Now we will not write any logic in the report. We will simply call the function module. And we will display the output. So how to call the function module or how to call the reusable component inside the report? We have this pattern button. This is very important. Go to pattern, pass the name of the reusable component. Okay, firstly I will check for the name of the reusable component, or for name of the function module I will go for transaction code SE37, which is a transaction code for function module. I have created the function module ZFM_doc_display. I will copy that function module. I will go for pattern, pass the name of the function module here. Now uncomment this importing parameters. Now see, Now see the difference between both these. Now in the function module, see, I am displaying the function module. We have the import parameters PBUKRS, PBelnar, PGJHR. Now when I am reusing the function module, import will become export and our export parameters will become import parameters. Why this happens? Because now we are reusing the function module. So we are exporting the values. We are exporting the values from the report to the reusable component or to the function module. So it will become reverse. Import will become export. Export will become import. Now we will pass the values. Now we will pass the values of the company code, which is coming from the selection screen, document number, then we have fiscal year. Now we will create 5 local variables for output. We can declare the local variables with the help of LV underscore BUKRS, type BUKRS. BUKRS is data element for the company code. Now I am declaring a local variable for the Belnar, that is document number, type Belnar underscore D. Then I have the third variable for GJAHR, fiscal year, type GJAHR. Then we have fourth variable for document date, that is BLDAT. Here BLDate is the data element for document date. Then we have BLART, which is the document type, and for document type the data element is BLART. Now we will pass these variables. LV underscore Belnar, LV underscore GJAHR, LV underscore BLDAT, LV underscore BLART. Now I am writing the output. LV underscore BUKRS. Now I am writing LV underscore BELNR, LV underscore GJAHR, LV underscore BLDAT. Then we have LV underscore BLART. I am writing the output with the help of write statement. Now in this example, what we have done, rather than writing the logic in the report, now we are writing the logic in the function module, because we can use the function module at several places. And now after that I have written the output. I have written the output variables. Now I am checking for the syntax. It is syntactically correct. Now I am activating the report. Now we will check for the output. Suppose now we will check for the output. Firstly we will go for SC11, that is a transaction code for data dictionary. We will go for BKPF table. I am displaying the table. We will check for the contents of the table. We will executing these contents. Now we will pass the input. Company code is 0001, document number is 1 9 times zeros, fiscal year is 1995. Now I am executing the report. The result which we have seen by independently running the function module, now we will see the same output in the report. Yes, this is our company code, this is our document number, this is our fiscal year, This is our document type and this is our date. This is all about how we can reuse a function module inside the report. Thank you.